So you got two mic receivers, and here I have is the mic mini, and you lost your door. My door's right there. What do? Go to the supermarket, get a gift card, cut the gift card out, and you get yourself something that looks like this, a little square. Well, I have to fit mine in again, slide it in, and off I go. I hope this 1 minute video has helped you out. This way you can protect your back if you lose your door, that DJI won't send you one under good faith or charge you a couple of dollars, then probably $19.99. Enjoy your DJI product. Try not to lose your door. They do snap on and they will fall off. You could put a piece of tape going across or a piece of tape this way to prevent it from falling off. Take the tape off to slide it down that one time. Or glue it on if you never use it. That's your option. Get yourself a card and enjoy on fish.